in the store. Opening up, baby. The weekends, it's my job to do this. What's going on, guys? Like I said, it's Saturday morning. Not many people are here. We don't have a lot of workers, people in lumber or delivery on. Let me see, make sure the gears are in gear. Well, like I said, Saturdays, Sundays can be stressful because of the lack of workers. Even though our workload may not be as much, I had to work from 5 in the morning to 3 yesterday because nobody was here, and I had to help in other departments. I had to help an elderly gentleman bundle his lumber to get his lumber order together, and basically just it was a big lumber order. He had $1,000 worth of lumber, so I had to help him. He's actually my grandfather's age, 85 years old, and him and I and that's sad when he has to do the work. We should have people here to do that for him. But right now we need some work. We can't help it. We wouldn't do that to him if we didn't have, if we had the workers.
Hey, Rob, are you doing a flatbed?
Yeah.
All right, I got these nails right here going to Robert.
Yeah.
They're right here.
Oh, got you. Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna put
Yeah, Scott showed me everything that I needed to get.
Where do you want me to put these nails?
Just somewhere where I know, yeah. It's storming out, so I made a roof for the forklift. Pretty cool. So let's go out there. Yeah, I didn't think it was supposed to rain till like 8 o'clock, but it's storming and I've got to load the Saturday morning load. But it is what it is. Let me see. I gotta fix the forks. Much better now. Look, thank God for this roof. Man, I gotta. Oh. I don't know where the hell the truck driver is, where John is. But I gotta get this on here. I'm getting soaked, even though this roof is on here. This OSB, this flooring, subflooring, and OSB goes on, but I want to put it on beside that right there on the. Yeah. And